Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to equip a Steam startup movie in big picture mode. This will be a step-by-step guide and easy to follow, so follow along. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, open up your Steam right over here. On the upper right corner, enter big picture mode. Wait for up to load. And by the way, this is a very easy process, so follow me step by step. So once you're here in this page, just go ahead and click on the gear icon on the top right. On the left panel, just go ahead and navigate to customization, click on it, and as you can see, go ahead, and if you do have any movies already, just go ahead, but if you do not, click on the visit point shop right over here and buy your preferred intro using Steam points. As you can see, there's a lot over here. Once you do that, just go ahead and select and equip. Basically, that's it for this video. If you did get any startup on over here, it'll show up over here. Basically, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe if it helped. Have a great rest of your day. Peace!